Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, Your Excellency, it's really an honor to have you with us today. This year is our 6th edition of Future Food, and I'm really proud to be part of this ecosystem. This ecosystem, His Excellency was telling me that he enjoys being part of this ecosystem because of the dynamic we have, because of the energy we bring in this sector, and because of all the great initiative we bring into the sector by using your brain, your ideas, your visions. So I'm really proud to be part of this ecosystem. I do remember the first edition, Your Excellency, when we decided to do Future Food. And we were thinking, what should be the name of this event we want to create? So we got different names of what this name should be to represent the idea behind really conducting Future Food. And the idea came, Future Food. And the idea and the name of a future was purposely chosen to reflect and anticipate what consumers are looking for in the future. How this sector will evolve and go forward in the future. How we as a stakeholder, we will be addressing the opportunities, the challenges when it comes for this sector. So the name was chosen to be Future Food, to understand how the new and future consumer will look like, how the future manufacturing will look like, and how the future communication will look like. And it is the ideal platform to do these discussions. There is so many other events, bigger, larger, more audience coming, but Future Foods was dedicated to bring the real stakeholders like you in the same platform to think how do we want this sector to evolve and to become. And I'm very proud to say a lot of the great initiatives being executed in this sector was an idea or an initiative coming from this platform. And thank you all for participating and showing this passionate and engagement to whatever we do in our event. This year, Future Food is totally different. And I'm saying this with all confidence. I do remember His Excellency speech last year when he launched the cluster economy initiatives with his strong word. I still listen to the speech till today, I have to admit. It was very clear direction over where he wants to take the sector going forward. And thank you for all your guidance, your support, and your present with us in every Future Food. Really, this shows you the commitment. So I'm very proud to see where we are today after 1 year of the launch with 3 objectives. I do remember your speech, Your Excellency, when you spoke about the objective of this initiative is 1, innovation. How can we drive innovations in the sector? We cannot wait for somebody to tell us what innovations will look like. We have to think together, how do we see innovations coming? Sustainability. And how can we make sure that we are really protecting the sector, the environment, the successful journey we are going together? And third, the self-sufficient. How can we become self-sufficient? Not only UAE, the whole GCC. And they see this is a responsibility on us. We are talking about the sector. We're talking about the sector from the farm to the fork, with all the pillar we have: farming, manufacturing, storing, logistic, retailing, and consumer communications. How can we innovate in all these pillars? It is our responsibilities. And having a brain like you with us in this journey, I'm sure will take us to the next level. So thank you, Your Excellencies, of launching the sector, the cluster economy. And as I said, it is just the kickstart. I'm really proud to be part of the teams who's trying to work together with all the stakeholders to push this initiative. Because as I said, it's a big transformation for our sector. And I do mean it. And on behalf of my name and on behalf of all our members, Your Excellency, we will do our best to really do the right role model when it comes for the cluster economy. So this is one of our new initiatives we're launching this year and showing you where we have reached with the cluster economy. The second initiative which we are launching, I will not take you through it. I will ask you to see a small movie where it will take us to the new subject.
Welcome to the Foodverse, a revolutionary metaverse platform designed for the UAE food and beverage industry. As part of our food cluster strategy, the Foodverse provides a global virtual ecosystem where businesses, consumers, and professionals collaborate, trade, and innovate. Using immersive tech, the UAE is pioneering efforts to support food security through virtual reality and marketplace innovation. Leading this transformation is creating a metaverse-enabled food cluster to improve efficiency and foster emerging food systems. Foodverse offers a variety of opportunities to the F&B industry, including educational modules for understanding food security regulations and supply chains, VR-based workshops for training and product demonstrations, and gamified experiences like scavenger hunts and interactive games. It's a comprehensive platform where companies can increase visibility through branded virtual spaces, showcasing products and engaging content for users. In addition, Foodverse will be an interactive marketplace for food content, raw ingredients, and final products, linked directly to e-commerce sites, streamlining operations from farm to fork. By partnering with the Foodverse, you tap into a global community of food lovers, industry leaders, and innovators seeking cutting-edge solutions. Align your brand with the future of the F&B industry, an ecosystem that celebrates innovation and sustainability. From branded virtual booths to product placements, the possibilities for unique brand experiences are endless in the Foodverse. Partnering with the Foodverse is a unique, time-sensitive opportunity for companies. Join us in shaping the future of the food industry. Be a part of Foodverse, where technology, innovation, and food come together.
Welcome to the future. We will demonstrate today for you an experience of how do we see our UAE Foodverse will look like and how it will evolve and transform our sector to become a digital sector going forward.
Hi, I'm Wahid. This is Sam.
Hi, I'm Sam. Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Hi, how are you? Good morning. Today we'll be giving you a tour of the Foodverse that we have, POC version that we have done. Sam, let's give them a tour.
I'm super curious. Yeah, let's do that. I mean, you start. I think we have on that side. What do we have here? Maybe you have some words for that here?
I'd like to thank all the sponsors, our members who have all made this possible. And here we have transformed the UAE food platform on which we have all our services into the Metaverse avatar. Once Metaverse is available now, we transferred our services online. With the COVID coming in, we always maintain a virtual office and we try to digitalize all our environment. Now with Metaverse, we'll be transforming it into a Metaverse environment. Now you can see our reports. You can see our young intern, Khaled.
I like it.
Should take a selfie
Khaled.
with him.
He's really cute. I really like him. Yeah, he's very cozy and sweet.
Yeah, let's go in.
Yeah, let's go in, yeah.
Sam,
So where do we start?
How we have crafted the Metaverse environment in such a way that we showcase all our ecosystem players' projects. So this environment, this space is designed to showcase the initiatives of the food and beverage industry, the association, and here, when we go to this area, you will be able to see the 7 pillars of the food cluster strategy that was announced by the Minister last Future Food. And once you actually present the information in this format, in a much more immersive environment, we are able to get better interaction. What we have done is to transform all our data and information onto platforms like this, where it will be. Here we have actually showcased our data into a virtual globe-like scenario. We can see all our initiatives. You can see our initiatives.
Well done.
So these are the initiatives
great,
that we have tried. These are the initiatives we have tried to take to the Metaverse and get better interaction. Now let's go to the product area. Sam,
let's go to the product area. Yeah.
You have been helping us to do this. We have got Al Islami, Alain Farms, Hunter Foods, Emirates Macaroni, and Red 24 here. These are all UAE first companies. What do you think the virtualization of these environment and the products in virtual environment will happen? What's the transformation going to happen, Sam?
I mean, all over. The first part is, of course, to have a digital product base. And what we call this is actually a digital product placement. And beside of regular marketing, you can add much more emotional feelings to each product, because in that way, I can really understand who's the product, what happened, who produces that, what's the stability. You know, you can learn much more about the history of a product, and therefore I can memorize the product far better. So I'm kind of creating a character for a product. So in the future, we will, of course, transform information into a gamified environment. And of course, product placement will be a very hard role in that market. Yeah? So you can see I can interact with the product, yeah, I can take it, and therefore, the good thing, I can extend the product, I can read it far better, like in real world. And products in the digital world is definitely going to be the future, because since we are gamifying information in any way, we can add products to any kind of environments, we can interact with the code, we can engage with the products, we can learn far more products, we can video content, with voiceovers. So I can learn more about each product. I can use it for educational reason, I can use it for consumers. We have someone guest here, just watch that.
Yeah. Hi, it's Ananya, CEO of Hunter Foods. Hi, nice to meet you, Ananya here.
It's great to meet you, Vahid. Great to meet you, Sam.
Hi, Nanya, nice to meet you.
Very excited to have...
I love your product. Sorry, I love your product. You have a great product.
Thank you so much, Sam. We're very excited to have our face display in the Foodverse right here.
Yeah, actually, I can see the chips there. I can even grab one. Let me take one. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah. So, anyone interested in trying it? that's the part we're missing in the metaverse, that we can eat. Yeah. But I cannot smell it. But I guess my brain would even tell me right now I could smell it somehow. It feels good because I can interact with the product and my brain memorizes that. And the big advantage of being in that environment is that once I left the environment, I can memorize that area. It's a totally different way how I consume information. And that's why it's very important. And the use case we have in here, like product placement, information about products, and the interaction is just amazing. So does anybody want to try that?
Ananya and Sam, it has been great. I think now you should teleport yourself to Future Food in Lee Meridian while I show the rest of the space. Please, we meet start in Future Food.
Okay,
great.
Let's go.
Thanks, Sam. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Meet you there.
While Sam and Ananya comes over to see you, I'd like to show some other areas of the Foodverse. The Foodverse actually gives you an immersive experience, both in terms of learning and training, both for the students and for the professionals as such. I'd like to give you a view of Dubai from the balcony of the Foodverse. In future, you'll be able to order food after interacting with an avatar. Probably sense the product texture before even get it delivered.